Welcome to Delaware Dumpster Rentals, the premier choice for your dumpster rental in Hockessin, Delaware. Whether renovating a home, cleaning up a yard, attending a community event, or working on a large construction site, we have the ideal dumpster for your needs. Our extensive range of dumpster sizes and prompt delivery service make it easy for you to tackle any project, big or small. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we understand that time is of the essence. We pride ourselves on our prompt service, ensuring you can start your project immediately. Safety is our priority. Our sturdy, well-maintained dumpsters help keep your site clean and safe, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. A clean worksite is a safe worksite. With Delaware Dumpster Rentals, you can save both time and money. Say goodbye to multiple trips to the landfill and costly disposal fees. With one of our dumpsters on site, you can manage your waste efficiently and affordably, giving you peace of mind about your budget. Ready to make your cleanup easy? Call us at 302-463-9000 or visit our website at www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com. Dumpster Rental Hockessin DE to explore our services and book your dumpster rental in Hockessin, Delaware today. Delaware Dumpster Rentals, making your projects cleaner, faster, and more accessible. Choose us for your next project and experience the difference.